Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for June the 18th to June the 20th reading. So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. No, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. And para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions or i-check yung ibang readings, no, dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, Leo, simulan na po natin. Ang nakikita ko dito parang bakit yung person mo nangangako pero hindi naman tinutupad, no? Parang feeling mo palagi na lang 'tong nangyayari, no? Magbibigay ng date tapos hindi naman gagawin or laging naka-reschedule, no? Parang sa'yo nawawalan ka na rin ng gana at hindi ka na rin parang, hindi na ako naniniwala, no? Tapos meron pang mga time na siguro iniisip mo, ito ba talaga yung person na para sa akin? I feel like hindi ako nabibigyan ng halaga. I feel like itong mga sabihin natin na with the time for it na para mas gusto mo muna magsarili, no? Or mapag-isa. Kasi parang yung sa'yo, um, hindi na ganun ikaw ka-enthusiastic, no? Sa takbo ng relasyon ninyo. Parang sa'yo mas gugustuhin ko munang ako na lang muna mag-isa, ayoko muna siyang kausap, hindi ka galit, naiinis ka lang, at saka nawala yung parang amor, no? Nawala yung amor mo na parang sa'yo, hindi naman 'to ganito dati. Ano yung nagbago? Ano yung parang bakit naging tamad, no, si person? Um, with the Tower in here, the Ace of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles, one of, or at least, no, I think that the main factor of um, the challenges of your relationship is either the passion or money or both, no? So baka mamaya combo pa, no? O nawawala na nga yung passion, nawawala na nga yung init, no, ng relationship. Tapos lagi pang mainit ang ulo natin kasi nga hindi natin magawa yung mga bagay-bagay. I think that's one of the reason bakit reschedule, bakit hindi rin natutupad, no, itong mga sabihin nating mga pangako niya. I think that your person here is having some issues with monetary, with the Page of Wands and the Hermit. For a few numbers of you, I am seeing age gap on this. It may be a May December love affair. It may not be. No, if we're not talking um the specific numbers of age. Probably yung isa dito mature, yung isa medyo childish. I just need to butt this in. Health-wise, I feel like yung person mo merong erectile dysfunction. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, pwedeng lately, no, hindi masyadong nagtititigas itong si Junior, no? Baka meron siyang problema when it comes to the reproductive. I think that it could also be because of stress. That's also one of the factor bakit hindi kayo naglalabing-labing lately. Um, with the World card, the Wheel of Fortune, I think that you can surpass all of this, and even especially when it comes to monetary wise, kung meron kayong mga issues sa pera. But it may not be these months. With the World card, it could be next month, as early as next month or next year. Nakakita naman ako ng malaking pera, no, napapasok sa inyong dalawa. Or sa relationship ninyo, with the help of each other. With the Knight of Swords and the Lovers, ang sayo lang is bakit walang stable, no, na, or let's say common ground kung ano itong relationship na ito. Yung changes is abrupt, no? Matutulog ka ngayon, ang saya-saya ninyo, kinabukasan, iba na agad. Kumbaga, walang transition, no? Nandun agad kayo, parang nagte-teleport agad kayo from A to B. Wala man lang yung travel time, no? Um, with the Ten of Cups, the Magician, and the Chariot. Wow. One of probably the reason why you are having this kind of issues is because of the distance. Baka magkalayo kayo ni person, like literally, no? What I'm also seeing in here with the chariot, I feel like your person is about to also arrive or go home, to fix the issues. I feel like dito sa mga OFW, no, nakikita ko na baka pauwi na ito, kakausapin ka. I think that there's something needs to be fixed in here. Meron ditong somewhat, yung isa is parang nire-reject na itong relationship because I feel like wala naman meron akong karelasyon sa salita, pero never ko naman siyang nararamdaman, no? So I feel like someone here is also magtatapat na ayoko na, pero yung isa hindi rin naman papayag, no? Let's fix this, kaya pag-usapan natin. So nakakita ko ng isang honest conversation at napaka-mature naman na conversation, to fix the issues. So this is your reading for now, Leo. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their charts. I am seeing Cancer, Pisces, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, um, Capricorn, no? So this is your reading, Leo. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate or hit the zing notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin or gusto niyo i-check, no, yung ibang readings sa Babaylan TV po. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pwede rin po kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ngayon po, kung feeling ninyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po meron po dong form. No, either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Na meron po dong drop downs, pakibasa na lang po yung information and the payment system, no? Yep, take advantage of our promotions of 4 questions plus 1. And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So this is your reading, Leo. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good.